Contenders 3622, how you doing? We are going to randomize this list 5 times. The team on top at the end will go to the person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to the person spot 32. 5 times, here we go. On the 6th spin, that's where the magic happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The top team is the Pittsburgh Steelers. The bottom team is the Philadelphia Eagles. That's 5 times. 5 times. Get rid of the randomizer. Drop it in exactly where you've picked up your spots for this one. Now what we do is randomize it one more time. The 4 teams on top all win a spot in the Flawless NFL break. Let's go. Good luck. Stephen, yes, I think we do. I think that you just got to start at some point. What better place than here? What better time than now? In the immortal words of Zach De La Roca. Alrighty, let's do this. We're randomizing it one more time. 4 people on top get a spot in the big break. Here we go. One time. Let's do this. 1. Eagles, Cowboys, Chiefs, Rams. 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 Eagles. Did the camera not pop up? I mean, your proof is there. Obviously, that's the time for it. 5:24, which is right now. 6 times. Eagles, Cowboys, Chiefs, Rams. No harm, no foul. I'm sure you'll trust me by now. 5:24, timestamp. There's our IP address. That's how much I trust you. 6 times. Eagles, Cowboys, Chiefs, Rams. Oh, I did? Okay, sweet. Is it bad that I did not realize? Jackson. So, Eagles with Jackson Coop. The Cowboys, Chiefs, Rams. Cowboys in spot 26 to Talon. Nice, congrats, Talon. Chiefs go to Kansas City. Spot 22, Bailey Milliage. And the Rams are in spot 27 to Talon. Did he win 2 spots? 1 second, I need to go back and confirm. Yep, Cowboys and Rams. 26 and 7, wow. Good luck later tonight, hopefully. 10 spots left in that break, by the way, guys. Now let's get into the actual opening. Yeah, Graydon, I'm not sure. Hey, there's definite chance. I don't know what's going on with the Dragons at the moment. Campus Legends of Herbie. Quiddy Pay. Greg Rousseau. Kyle Pitts. Devonta Smith. Campus Legends of Joe Burrow. And the first auto is Marlon Williams. College ticket. A campus ticket of David Montgomery. So my big thing is the Storm. The Storm are an elite squad. How do different players look not in that squad? Rashad Bateman, not in that system. Rondale Moore, Tony, Hawkins, Patrick Mahomes, Waddle. And up next, the auto to just 99 of Alex Leatherwood. Cam Newton campus ticket. Who knows how it goes? I want to be, I'd look like a good player. Trey Lance, Elijah Moore, Kyle Trask, Campus Legends of Kyler Murray, Pat Freemuth, Tylan Wallace, and for LSU, from LSU, Jacoby Stevens college ticket. Campus ticket of Aaron Donald. I agree, Hendo. What's coming up now? School colours of Patrick Surtain. Passing yards of Sam Ellinger. Kellen Mond school colours. Campus legends of Brett Favre. Michael Carter. Brush playing numbers game. Nico Collins. And auto of Caden Stevens college ticket. Campus ticket of Dalvin Cook. Base. Samaje Perrine. Elijah Molden. DeAndre Hopkins. Kenneth Gainwell. Travis Etienne. Kyle Trask. And game day ticket signatures of Elijah Moore. Campus ticket Jared Goff. And then the final ones. I don't know how rare those game day tickets are. Then we have something shiny coming up. So it's a good way to finish off this break. Tutu Atwell. Campus Legends of Emmitt Smith. Micah Parsons. Trevor Lawrence school colours. Nice. We'll go through all these hits and figure out who they're for, by the way. Terrence Marshall. Zach Wilson. And then finally, to do 23, cracked eyes, Carrie Angeline. College ticket. Tight end. To 109 coverage ticket of Julio Jones. Obviously, you all know who they go for. And that is that. Here we go. As I sleeve them up, I'm going to find out exactly who gets each one. Carrie Angeline. Arizona Cardinals. Elijah Moore. Wow, pick 34. New York Jets. Caden Stearns. Denver Broncos. Jacoby Stevens. Philly Eagles. Alex Leatherwood. Las Vegas Raiders. And Marlon Williams. We're not looking for the New Zealand singer-songwriter. We're looking for the football player. Uh-oh. Buccaneers, I believe. That is Contenders 3622.